All right, now, so let's go ahead to the next step, which is actually showing this product like in a different page, which is the product details page, something like that. All right. So I want to go ahead. Let's see. I want to go to the routes first. So yeah, there is the routes folder, and I want to go to web.php. So let me go ahead and copy this route, for example, and I want to go right here, and I want to go products, just a simple comment, and I want to paste this in. So we're going to set some kind of prefix for this, and this will be just products like that, and I'm going to go /home, not /home, actually. I want this to be something like, if I go to my project right here, all right, so this is product-single. This is the name of the page. So let me copy this. Let me go right there and paste this in. And I'm also gonna pass in the ID of this, so we can grab it and we can actually select the data based on this. All right, we're gonna of course select the data by the ID for every product that we have. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna create a new controller, and I'm gonna name this controller products. But I'm gonna go ahead first and I'm gonna set up a folder, and I will name this folder products. Products like that. All right, so let's also copy this and paste it right there, paste it like that. So this will be products controller like that, and the function right here, it will be single product. All right, and I'm gonna make the name, so it will actually be product dot single. All right, so save this whole thing now. Let's actually go ahead and grab this name because I want to set up my route. And if we go to the home page right there, we can actually see two links right here. So there is the part right here for the name. So if he clicks on the name, he should go to this page, and if he clicks on this button, or this anchor, he can go to this page also. All right, so I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna go route, and I'm gonna paste this in, and I'm right along with it. I want to go product, and I want to fetch my ID right there, because we have to pass in the ID right now since we set it up to be in the link right there. All right, so I want to also copy this, and I want to paste it right here at the link part, and I want to actually save this. All right, so this should refresh, and I will show you the dynamic ID. All right, so if we hover over this right now, so as you can see, it's going to /product, down at the bottom left, it's going to /product dash single dot, /2, and this is going to 1. And as you can see, it's also being echoed out right here. So yeah, awesome, great. So right after this, I want to go ahead and I want to work with the function. So let me go ahead and grab the function name, copy. Well, actually, we want to go ahead and want to create the controller first. So I'm just gonna go right here. I'm gonna go make controller products controller, and we actually need to do the folder first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paste this in like that, and I'm gonna go /products folder / should be here. So let me go ahead and press enter. All right, so if we go right at the top, let me now go ahead, copy this function. If we go to controllers, and we will see the products folder right here, and there is the controller. So let me go ahead right here, and let me go public function right there, and we need to go ahead and pass in the ID. All right, so right after this, I'm just gonna go product like that. I'm gonna go and I need now my product, let's see, my product model. I'm gonna import it right now. So right after this, I'm just gonna go find. So with the find function, we should find this ID right here. And if we found it now, we have the whole row of this product. All right, so right after this, I want to go ahead and I want to return view. So I want to go ahead to the view. Let's go to a products folder. And I want to find, I want to create this view, which will be product single, something like that. All right, and I want to pass in my data, which is product, like that. All right, so that's actually everything. Well, let me go ahead first and go right here and let me go app slash models slash product, and let's also paste product like that, and that's actually everything for the controller. All right, so save this whole thing. Let me now go ahead, copy this, and if we go to the views, so I want to go to the folder and I'm going to create the products products like that. So there is the folder, and now let's go ahead and create the view. So paste this name in, and I want to go .blade.php like that. All right, so awesome. So if we go to the auth and if we go to the login, I want to go ahead and I want to grab the part for the template master. So paste this in, and I want to end this section like that. So save right now. All right, so we want to go ahead to the product dash single, and we want to grab yeah, we want to grab the design. So there is the section for the background image. So let me copy this, minimize this, and copy it, and let's paste it like that. All right, so right after this we will have this section. So let me also minimize it, and we will also have this section, and let's copy both of those sections, and let me go down and paste them like that. All right, so now let's save this whole thing. All right, so if we go ahead and click this now, or try to open it up in another tab, so as you can see, we're going to slash product dash single slash tool like that. All right, so we're not going to see the image because we did not even touch it yet. It's being displayed statically. All right, so we want to go ahead and we want to work with this. All right, so I guess we can close this off, and we can close this off also. All right, so let me go right here at the URL. Let me go asset like that, and if we go assets slash images slash, and there is the image. So let me paste this in, save. All right, so the image now should show up like that. All right, so awesome. Great. So right after this, I want to display the data for this particular product. So there is the image of this product. So I want to go right here, and I want to go asset. I want to go assets slash images. We cut this whole thing and paste, and we want to go slash and concatenate this. So this will be product, and we want to fetch and the image. All right, so copy this, and let's see. Yeah, there is the name right there. So let me paste this in, copy this like that, and there is the price like that, and there is simply the part for the description. So just go ahead and remove this whole thing, and let's paste this in. So this will be price like that, or sorry, this will be description. All right, so let's actually save and see what we got right there. All right, so the part for the image, it's still not showing up, and this image is also messed up. So what's going on exactly? It's just showed up. We worked with it, and yeah, we can see right now, but this image is not showing up, but the price and the description are simply right there. All right, so I want to go ahead. Let's see. So what's wrong with the image exactly? We're going to the assets, and then we're going, this is not actually an image. This is just, yeah, this is not an image. So let me go to this part, to this section, and but it's going to an image right there. This is actually the section, and this is the image. All right, so we wanna also, it's weird because this link right here, it's going to an image in that design or project, you know, but we have an image right there actually. So let's paste it like that, and now our image should actually show up. So save this. We close this off. All right, so there is our image right there. Now it's showing up, as you can see. So yeah, there is something wrong with this part right here. If we go ahead, add this section, and if we remove this part. All right, so save this. All right, so now the image should look a lot better. So there we go. And this is simply not working, this part right here. And as for the size, we did not set a column for the size. I told you that we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do something about the columns in the future. We're gonna, all right, so should we go ahead and actually add like some kind of size? I guess that it doesn't matter that much, you know, but we want to do is we want to eliminate this part right here. So let me go at this part. Let's see. We go right there. The code is a little messed up. So there is the button. And there is also a button right there, and this is simply for the minus and the plus signs. So if we go right here, add this whole thing and just go comment all of this and save. Let's see if the design is messed up or not. All right, so looks like our design is messed up a little because this button right here should be right here. All right, so I'm gonna fix this, but you know, let's not work with it right now in this video. So should we add like some kind of size for the coffee? I guess that we, you know, there's no need actually. So let's go to the select and let me comment it like that. All right, so now it's gone simply. All right, so we have to also go ahead. Let's comment this whole div. Save. All right, so as you can see right there, now it's at the cart right here. All right, so I guess we can now delete this parts, and we can also delete this part right here. All right, so I want to go for the name, and I want to make this so it will be text dash white. Let's do a class first, text dash white. So I'm gonna go class equals, and I'm gonna go ahead, cut this and paste, save. All right, so we just need the name to be clear like that. All right, so yeah, this will be everything, and I will see you on the next video.